The National Weather Service in Pleasant Hill has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Wyandotte County in northeastern Kansas, northeastern Johnson County in east central Kansas, southwestern Clay County in west central Missouri, southeastern Platte County in west central Missouri, northwestern Jackson County in west central Missouri, until 8:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 7:56 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Shawnee, moving northeast at 20 miles per hour. Hazard: 2-inch hail and 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source: radar indicated. Impact: people and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Overland Park, Shawnee, Lenexa, Gladstone, Merriam, Mission, Bonner Springs, Parkville, Bass Hor, Edwardsville, North Kansas City, Fairway, Mission Hills, Riverside, Weatherby Lake, Westwood, Lake Quivira, Kansas City, Kansas, Kansas City, and Lake Ocomas. This includes the following highways: Interstate 70 in Missouri between mile markers 0 and 5. Interstate 70 in Kansas between mile markers 410 and 423. Interstate 35 in Missouri between mile markers 0 and 5. Interstate 35 in Kansas between mile markers 228 and 235. Interstate 29 between mile markers 2 and 8. Interstate 635 between mile markers 0 and 12. Interstate 435 between mile markers 4 and 20. Kansas Turnpike between mile markers 223 and 226. Precautionary/preparedness actions. Remain alert for a possible tornado. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. If you spot a tornado, go at once into the basement or small central room in a sturdy structure. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of the building. A tornado watch remains in effect until 100 am Central Daylight Time for northeastern and east central Kansas and west central Missouri. & tornado. Possible thunderstorm damage threat. Considerable hail threat. Radar indicated max hail size 2.00 in. Wind threat. Radar indicated max wind gust 60 miles per hour. Beep, 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 beep.